Fact of the day.
Fact of the day.
Hello, hi, and welcome to Fact of the Day with me, Mark Lotsu. Human faces from monkey brain signals. Doris Tsao at the California Institute of Technology say they have cracked the brain's code for facial identity. They found there are dedicated facial regions in human and non-human primates, like parts of your brain just to use to identify faces and recognize specific faces. So in order to do this, they looked at different parts of a primate brain. So she showed lots of different human faces to macaques and then recorded the brain activity using an FMRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging machine. Then this was accelerated using machine learning, AI, everywhere. And then they used this to identify which parts of the inferior temporal cortex were being used to recognise faces. So they found that there were 6 patches that were key to this. They then looked at the response of individual neurons to faces, and they found that there are 50 different aspects, 50 different characteristics of the face that these neurons respond to. Things like face shape, distance between your eyes, distance to your hairline, and all of these are coded for by individual neurons. So even though there are an infinite number of faces, they're all coded for by these 50 different aspects, 50 different parts of your face can be broken down into. So it was originally thought that, one neuron was responsible for one face. So your friend John, you got one neuron, when you see John, that neuron goes, hey, it's John, and you go, yeah, hey John. This theory says you only need neurons from 2 of the face patches, 106 neurons from one face patch and 99 neurons from the other face patch. So that's, with 205 neurons, you can recognize any face, and you can break that face down into these 50 different aspects. So what they did was, they took measurements of the macaques' brains when they were looking at these human faces. They didn't see what the human faces were. They took measurements of the brains. Then they used those measurements of the brains and these 205 neurons to reconstruct an image of the human face. And when you look at what they predicted against the actual, it's uncanny. It's absolutely amazing. So what can this be used for in the future? This sort of thing can be used for, there's a crime committed, you catch a glimpse of someone's face. Instead of getting a little sketch artist, boom, in the brain, oh yeah, we can reconstruct this and we can tell you exactly what the person looks like because you've got it stored in your head. How cool is that going to be? Not sure how soon that's going to be. Bit of time in the future. So that is human faces from monkey brain signals. Thanks for watching. Love you, bye, love you, bye, love you, bye.